Okay, so the first thing you need to make sure is that you're operating in the advanced layout editor. So if you log into a page or a post that you're editing and you see something that looks like this, then you're in the wrong type of editor, and all you need to do is click this button up here. So this activates the advanced layout editor, and you'll notice there's this fun stuff, all these different types of content that can be dragged and dropped into a page. For the stuff that we're doing, all I need you to do at this stage is just to log in and really just click into the existing content. So the way the advanced editor works is that once the content blocks are placed, to edit anything, you just need to click onto the block, make the changes that you want within that block, save out of the block, and then update the page. So up here on the top right, you would update, and that kind of locks that change in. Now, what I recommend that you do before you start doing any changes to a page is make a copy of the page, and the way that you do that is to come over here to Templates, and you save the entry as a template. This might be, call it something like working, and the name of the page. Save it, and then we've got something that we can go back to. So every time you make a template, you want to update the page, and that kind of locks that template in. So always call your working templates working in capitals, and that way we know that they are templates that we can delete later on once we're happy. So most of these content areas are pretty straightforward. They're either text or titles, but you may notice that with images, when you click onto an image, if you want to change an image out, click into Insert Image, and this is really important. When you're choosing an image, let's say we're choosing a picture of this fine individual, over here on the right hand side you'll see the size of the image that we're applying to the page. So in most cases you want to apply the full size image, and that way it will scale to the size of the page or device that's being used. There are some exceptions, but for the most part always choose the full size, and then you click Insert, and that will overwrite any existing image that's there. Once you've updated the image, click on Save, and then again you'd update the page. It's always just a good idea to do a little bit of work and then update. That way you don't lose any work if the computer crashes or the internet explodes, etc. Now, you'll notice with these icon lists that you can't actually see the content as it appears on the live page until you click into that content box, and then you click into the specific item that you want to edit, like so. And here's the item title there. If you want to change the icon that's associated with that list item, then you change it down here. Once you've updated that content, again you save out of that, then you save out of the list editor, and then you update up here. Okay, so hopefully all that's nice and clear, and if you get stuck, just give me a buzz.